Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva DIY. Welcome if you're brand new to my channel as well. Welcome back if you are coming back. I am super excited today to share with you my Christmas DIY haul. I went to dollar store. I think like 99.9% of stuff is from Dollar Tree. If there is an item that's not in there that's from Dollarama, I will let you know. But most of it, and I think it's pretty big. So grab a cup of coffee because you will need one, and let's get into it. So all these items, I will be creating something from them, using them to create something else, or yes, it will be part of DIY. So I had picked up 3 of these buckets and I thought they were so Christmassy because they're color, and I kind of have an idea what I'm gonna be using them for. But oh, and by the way, I live in Canada, so everything is $1.25 unless it came from Dollarama. There might be a different price. So anyway, so I picked up 2 of these and 1 white one. Then I had picked up 1 of these lanterns, and I already know exactly what I'm going to be making from that. They are a bit bigger than the ones that they sell as their Christmas tree decorations, so I like that it is bigger. Then I picked up 2 of these, of course. Gotta have my red trucks. I don't know if I will use both of them this year, but I know I for sure will use one of them. Then I picked up 1 of these crates. You can never go wrong with having a crate in your DIY stash, because you can do so much with this. And then I was so excited when I found these. They're little wooden trees with a stand, and I will be DIYing this within a week. So I have picked up 3 of them, and I can't wait to share the DIY that I'm going to be creating from these, because I think it's going to be very cute. Then I picked up the Merry and Bright. Ooh, focus. Okay. Merry and Bright, because I love it, and well, I guess I don't need to have reasons why I picked these up. They are for my DIYs. The little wood stems. Can you see reindeers in the future? And then I already used 1 of these. If you haven't seen my first Christmas DIY video, I used 1 of these. There are just the LED votive candles. It says 240 total hours, and I picked up the bigger one and the votive size one, the tea light size one, I mean. And then I got ribbons. Now I was gonna do all ribbons together, but I'm just gonna do them as I went to the store. So I got the Merry Christmas, have yourself a little Merry Christmas, a Merry Little Christmas, not a little Merry Christmas. And then just a snowflake one, and some white acrylic paint, because they finally got some paints in the stores. Not much yet. And then I picked up the little red truck ribbon. Picked up 2 of those. I'm determined to use ribbon in my decor this year. I'm not very ribbon type of person, but I am determined. I think I lost a couple Christmas trees off of these, so I picked up the little truck ornaments, but I don't think I'm gonna be using them as ornaments. I'm thinking I'll use them in some sort of a DIY. Then I have picked up these two signs, and now I'm not 100% sure whether I'm going to keep these as they are, but these letters pop up, these words, and I like the boards and the words, so I might separate them and use them in separate projects because I think they're pretty neat the way they are on its own. Alright, so then I have picked these up because I have a very neat DIY for these, and I thought instead of making my own out of popsicle sticks, which I totally could, it would be neat just to use these because they're already made for you. And then I got some foliage or greenery, so I got the premium Christmas picks, and then I got the willow. I'm dropping everything. And then I got the berries, more willow, and I really like this Christmas pick because it's a little frosted. Thought that was neat. Then I picked up the mini bell garland, and I got a couple of those. Then I picked up the DIY ornaments, and we all know all the different things you can make with these, and I got like 4 of them. The peace, joy, and believe words, the metal words. These have so much you can do with. Merry Christmas. This could have been in my decor haul that I shared yesterday on my home channel because I do love it just the way it is. And then I got this decorative mesh in the candy cane pattern. I'm thinking of doing something different for my frosted tree, but I'm not there yet to commit, but I thought I'd buy that anyways just in case. And then another frosted pick, and then I love this. Thought this was really cool. Mary. And if you guys have watched my Halloween haunted house, I picked up the gingerbread house, and boy do I have a plan for these. So I think that's it. I think that was a pretty decent DIY haul. I'm sure I'm gonna go and get more stuff. Besides, I will be getting glue and more paint because you can never have enough of those. But if you want to see my decor haul, I shared it yesterday over on my home channel. I picked up some pretty neat stuff that doesn't need to be DIY'd, great on its own, but I'm looking forward to what's coming, all the different DIYs that I have planned coming your way. So make sure you are subscribed and the notification bell is on if you enjoy Christmas DIYs. There's going to be farmhouse, rustic, a lot of natural elements. I do love all of that, so I like to create DIY projects that include all that. I will have my other videos that I've already created for Christmas DIYs this year linked in the description box, so head on over and check those out if you want to. And until next time, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you had bought any of the items that I have and you're planning on creating stuff with it down in the comments. I would love to know what everybody is planning on doing, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.
That's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time.